I'm Tony Mezzetta. I'm a service manager in Pembrokeshire County Council's Children's Services. I've actually worked in social work for just coming up to 30 years now, and I've had lots of different roles and different jobs. I worked in adult services and children's services. About 11 years ago, myself and my family decided we wanted a change, and we came to live in Pembrokeshire, and I began work as a social worker in children's services. I've been promoted a few times since then. I'm now one of the service managers. Pembrokeshire County Council is a great council to work for, with lots of training and lots of opportunities, and you really can progress your career quite quickly. So this is Newgale Beach. This is literally 10 minutes drive from the office. This is often a beach where we come to chill out after work on over weekend. Social work anywhere is a rewarding job, but when you live somewhere like Pembrokeshire and work here, it's really great because there's loads of beaches. And we've got some of the best beaches in Europe in Pembrokeshire, and we've got one of the longest coastal paths as well. There's lots of wildlife here and lots of outdoor activities. It really is a nice place to live and a nice place to bring up your kids and raise a family. So if you're interested in a job in social work in Pembrokeshire, please contact us. We'd love to hear from you.